the skirt. So let's just quickly go through all steps to making or crocheting this skirt with high waist. Let's separate it for 4 parts, and I will show you video how to do and quickly run through all of them. Everything you need to know to make this lovely crocheted skirt with high waist with side cut. So it's just how to crochet single crochet, how to crochet loops, have yarn, hook, and a little bit patience because it's take a little long time to do all of this. We're gonna do just single crochet, and that is nothing else except of making chain, single crochet. We could vary between like single crochet in back loop only or single crochet to make this skirt not transparent, so not visible through. We could vary other ways to make our single crochet, but it's still just single crochet, and it's all what we need to know. Let's dive into. First step, what we need to do is this belt, this waist, whatever way you would like to call it. You can see that it's stretchy one, and actually the good way to do this is start with just chain. Let's just put 30 to begin with. It would be the height of your waist, and after we having a chain we will do just single crochet. So from this row of loops we might receive our first row with a single crochet, and we actually can start work with it and apply some pattern to this row of single crochet. And the next step, what we're gonna do is we turn our crochet around, make one loop on the side, and start to do a back loop only, single crochet in back loop, and we continue doing all our rows from end till beginning, from beginning till end, with one loop, turning the crochet, making single crochet in back loop only, then next row turning the crochet, one loop, a back loop only, single crochet, and so on. In this way we will making our belt. Again, the pattern is really simple. You just put in the chain, whatever amount of loops you would like to have, it will be height of your waist. Then you turn in the crochet and start doing single crochet. So single crochet will be just in back loop only. It would be your first row. The next row you will do one loop, turn the crochet, doing single crochet just in back loop only, and then continue this way until you reach the point when your belt will be like almost around all of your waist, and that is. So belt is done, first step is done, congratulations. And the second step, it's come from this belt to the actual skirt. To make this row, to do this, we first of all join our belt to make it circular, and then starting our crocheting somewhere at any point whenever you want, somewhere here, and you will start to do your crocheting all way down to your skirt, from your top to your bottom. So, and we will start doing it with just single crochet. So you put all row of just single crochet around all your belt, and that is. On the third step, we will start doing our not transparent crocheting. To do this, we will do this in 2 rows. How to do this in 2 rows? It still would be the single crochet, just in back loop only, but we will do this in 2 rows right away. So instead of making this transparent and visible, so visible through, we will do this like single crochet on one side and on another, but we do it straight away on like both sides. To do so, after we made just our single crochet row around all our belt this way, we will do our single crochet row with just back loop only. That would be our second row. After that is done, we each time like joining our rows joining our crocheting, and we start crocheting other way. And in this case we have 2 rows, and we will start in doing our not transparent single crochet, which is grabbing our loop from our current row, back loop from our current row, and 1 loop from our previous row, and making a single crochet through them, and continue all row this way, all rows, and hold this row this way, which is grabbing loop, back loop only our current row, and then 1 loop which is a little behind from our previous row, and just continue crocheting this way until we reach the point of our beginning of our row. We join them, making 1 loop, joining the crochet, and starting to do our single not transparent single crochet again and again. Yeah, I know it would be a little bit boring part, because all of this length would be making just all of this. It's too boring. Just be prepared that it's take a long of your time. Speaking about myself and my experience, I started doing this skirt like in the spring last year, and just finishing in the Christmas. Yeah, I was a little devastated, because I hoped that it will take, let's say, 3 months and skirt will be ready by summer, but not. It was ready by Christmas, which kind of not what I expect. So at some point you will get to that point when your waist not start to be enough for you, and you need to make some a little wider part than your waist. It's actually look not so narrow as on your waist, and you need to start increasing your single crocheting to make enough space for your size. Yeah. How to do so? We are going to do our increase in 2 rows. To do this, first row we will start to do our increase. So we grab our loop from our current row, we grab our loop from our previous row, and in these 2 loops we will put 2 single crochet. So it's the way we are doing on our first row. Then when we come back to the same place where we just did this increase, we intend to do like from our current row we grab 1 loop, and from our previous row another loop, making a single crochet. Then we grabbing the next loop from our current row and the same loop from our previous row, and in this point we do our single crochet, the second one, and we are finishing our like increase. So in this way we are doing increase. The way I did my increases at the point where I decided need to be increases there, I separated my skirt on 4 different parts, so 2 on front, 2 on back, and at this point each row making increases. Basically it was maybe, I don't know, 10 rows of increase or whatever amount you will feel you need. You will do your increase. So just separate it for 4 different. Oh, it's cats. Sorry, I wasn't expecting this. Basically you have your circle of your skirt. You're separating your skirt on 4 different parts. Let's say here, there, you will put stitch markers, and on these stitch markers you always will do your increase, but again all increases will be doing in 2 rows. So first row you just put 2 single crochet as the same 2 loops, and the second row to finish this like increase rows you will do like from our current row take 1 loop, the same loop from our previous row, from our current row you then take a next loop, and the same loop from our previous row to make this increase. So I'm showing you how to do so. More than welcome to see. So and the last point of speaking about all of this skirt, so we done our increases, then at some point you just saying, so I no longer needed all increases, you just continue do your not transparent single crochet, let's call them this way. You are still continue crocheting, let's say from one side and going on circles, and you join your circles somewhere here, but then at some point you decide to make this wonderful cut. How to do this cut? It's really easy. It's as easy as you can imagine. You just at some point, whenever you want, just saying here at this point I want to make my cut. For example, for me it's this place, and what I did is just instead of joining the row in the end of my row, I just joined crocheting without joining the beginning and the end of the row. I just separate them, and this way you just starting do your cut. And for me it's I don't remember, maybe 15 rows maybe 10 rows of this, like let's say cut, when you're not connecting your beginning and your end, and this way you're receiving your cut. Yeah, this is the way. Yeah. And as a result, you're receiving this lovely skirt. Again, it could take a lot of your time. Be prepared, and you probably can do some little adjustment. For example, on cut, what I did, I crocheted around my cut, around the end of my crocheting part, and around like all of the end of my skirt, just to make it look more nicer. It's just adjustment you could add or could not. I'm also considering maybe add some beads on the side. It's an option, and I'm considering to do this more closer to the summer. So yeah, it's kind of little adjustment you can do or could not. It wouldn't affect your like crocheting the whole project, but the all parts we just covered. So just do the belt, then start to do not transparent single crochet, increase where you need to increase, then continue do your not transparent single crochet, and then you just do the cut, and that is